What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm here at the Dollar location. I just filmed down the Dollar Tree Plus aisle and they have lots of new items. So now that I got that out of my system, of course, I had to start over here down the makeup aisle. You guys know I love to hunt for new name brand makeup finds every week. If you guys love amazing deals, like if you guys love shopping at Dollar Tree, Walmart, if you love shopping clearance, and I think you guys would love shopping my auctions. I have live auctions every Thursday night at 8 p.m. CST at my house, you guys. A lot of the hard to find Dollar Tree items I sell at my auction, as well as just anything and everything, craft items, makeup items, clothing, vintage collectibles, stationery, you name it. I sell a little bit of everything. You guys definitely click down below in the description box. There is a really short 20-second link. I would love for you guys to come on over on a Thursday night and hang out. And if you don't feel like buying anything, that's okay. Just hang out with your Bunny Birdy Gator family in the chat. It's always a lot of fun. But as I've been talking, I've really been noticing that we don't have a lot of new makeup for the week. Like, at all. Like, I don't think we have anything brand new down the makeup aisle this week. So we're just gonna keep it moving. These are still here. It's an amazing deal. The ultra soft leather insoles for high heels. That's definitely a great name brand find. This is also an amazing name brand find. And we have the little ones, but to be honest, I would go with the big one because you're getting like 3 little ones in the big one. Last time I was in here, I found a bunch of new hair items and hair accessories that looked really cute. And they are still here. Fluffy. We have the barrettes, the hair clips, the little velvet covered ones, the little daisy. Ooh, I love these sort of detangling brushes. They just feel so good on your scalp. These are definitely new. I think I'm seeing some more new headbands. We've been having so many new hair accessories lately. It's really quiet in here right now. I found these last week. I thought they were so cute. More of the new clips. Super, super cute. The cute barrettes. The hair coils. Even more 3-packs. The faux leather. I think some of these combs are new as well. The 2-packs, the detangler combs, the rat tail combs. These are cute. Wow, they sold a lot of the baby blankets since last week. These socks were new last week, the 2-pack. They feel really nice. This is a new bundle. That's cute. The quality feels really nice. They're nice and heavy. They feel like they would last a long time. The little juncture socks. One area that's been not too stocked up in my stores lately, at least in this location, is the shampoo area. This is all we have for shampoo. Like, this is it. And I think today might be their truck day. So that's probably why it's really empty. Cooling gel, soothing body gel lotion, cooling body mist, cooling wipes. Those popped up about a month ago.
Hey, Dante, can you come to the front, please?
Oh, look, you guys, the Crabtree and Evelyn is back. This is the body scrub, Caribbean Island Wildflowers, and the shampoo is back, and this is new, the Utterly Smooth Hand Cream. You guys know I love the dishwasher powder. I love it more than Cascade. I also really like, where is it? I love the bathroom cleaner. It's really good. These are the soft scent hand soaps that we have right now. We also have Dial, Suave, and Jergens. These big boys, they're still here. They've been here for a really long time. Pears. Over here behind me, we have Spick and Span, Fabuloso. Love My Carpet, foaming carpet cleaner. We have the multi-purpose Ajax, Pinalin, Pine Glow. We even have little Lysols. Those are super concentrated. Really stocked up on the at-home tests. This is supposed to be a dupe for the Aveeno lotion. Oh, here's the display of the Utterly Smooth Hand Cream, 2 ounces. I'm hoping I find some exciting new items for the week. I'm gonna keep looking, and I'm gonna keep sharing these items with you guys. Hopefully we find some good name brand foods, something exciting. Ooh, the Kool-Aid popping candy is here. We have Boom Chicka Pop up top. Boom Chicka Pop up top. Haribo gummy candy. All right, you guys, well, I'm gonna see you in my very next video. I'm gonna see what else I can find that's new for the week, worth sharing, exciting finds, name brand items, and more. So definitely check out my Dollar Tree playlist if you guys wanna catch up on other items that we have here in the store. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. All you have to do is hit the little button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.